Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best step platforms in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Tone Fitness Aerobic Step Platform. The Tone Fitness Aerobic Step Platform is a back-to-basics budget buy with a lightweight design that can be adjusted to 4 inches or 6 inches. The feet clip in with a basic locking mechanism. To adjust, simply flip the step over, line up the grooves, and give it a quick thwack to add some height. This step's textured surface is non-slip enough to accommodate sweaty hands but gentle enough to not dig into palms during long periods. It has 2 pads on each foot to protect the floor beneath it and help it stay in place. The Tone Fitness platform does not come with a weight rating, but it held up well during our 200 pounds human jumping test. Because of its inability to grow to be over 6 inches in height, the Tone Fitness isn't exactly our first choice. The plastic seems to be a bit flimsier than others in our review, which gives us pause regarding weight-bearing capabilities. This short stack is excellent for beginners looking to dip their toes into the waters of step aerobics and circuit training, but we believe that most people will outgrow it fairly quickly. Still, if you're unsure about the depth of your commitment to exercising with a step, this wallet-friendly platform will surely suit your needs. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Step Original Aerobic Platform. If you have ever attended a step aerobics class or participated in group fitness at your local gym, you are likely to have used the Step Original Aerobic Platform. This platform is ubiquitous in the world of fitness, and while we don't think it is the best on the market, there are many things we do love about it. Not only is it affordable, it offers a lot of versatility with its stack height. You can choose to purchase it with 2 or 4 risers and then can buy additional risers as you wish. You can stack away to your heart's content. We do not recommend stacking it too high, but with the easy-to-move risers, you'll be able to work on really improving those hops. The risers can be neatly stacked out of the way in your home gym if you need to create more space, and the lightweight design makes it very easy to move. This slip risk increases by quite a lot when the step is used without risers. On top of that, the loose-fitting stack structure of the risers creates an added amount of liability if the user doesn't double-check how they are stacked. We recommend this platform to anyone looking to try out an exercise step platform without a huge financial commitment. Because of that, this is also a great choice for bulk purchasing for a public gym setting, probably why so many gyms use this recognizable classic. Number 3. Our third best pick is Home Garden Fitness and Exercise Step Platform. The Home Garden Adjustable Workout Aerobic Stepper is similar to a few others in our collection. It is versatile enough for full-body circuit use and adjusts to 3 different settings. To adjust this style of step, simply flip the bench upside down, line up the legs and holes and give a gentle stomp to lock into place. The textured surface offers an above-average grip for sweaty hands so that you can perform push-ups and grueling mountain climbers with ease. At just under £9, this platform's lightweight also makes it an excellent choice for use in a setting in which it will be moved frequently. Plus, the feet can be stored in the step's undercarriage, which aids in keeping your workout setup looking streamlined and neat. The Home Garden cannot be set to a height that will please the bounciest among us like other steps of its kind, maxing out at just 8 inches off the ground. Additionally, each foot's rubber knobs are not very well constructed and allow the step to slip out slightly from underfoot. The feet are adequate at protecting your home hardwoods from damage, though, which is a solid plus. If you are looking for a strong, durable and uber weight-bearing step to accompany your gym setup, we think you'll be pleased with this budget-friendly buy. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Yes4All Aerobic Exercise Workout Step Platform. This aerobic stepper is sturdy enough to support up to 300 pounds of weight, and as a bonus, There's 5 color options to choose from. Great for jump step-ups, offset push-up crossover, squat pop-over, Bulgarian split squat, decline mountain climber and more. Can combine with weight or resistance training to get extra burning fat workouts. Develop buttocks, quadriceps, hamstrings, calf muscles, hip flexors, the group of muscles at the top of your leg. Enhance your aerobic workout and take your cardiovascular fitness to the next level. Ideal to lose weight, release endorphin. Natural painkillers positively reduce stress and boost your self-esteem. Low impact, high-intensity platform design. Great home fitness tool for beginners to experts, customizable for a variety of aerobic and strength exercises. Ideal for cardio workout, lunges, low impact and high impact stepping aerobic. High quality construction. Compatible with freestyle, original platforms and risers. Benefits and uses. Great for a wide variety of step exercises. Enhance your step workouts with added height. Ideal for extra calories burning and weight loss. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Reebok Original Aerobic Step. The Reebok Original Aerobic Step is stable enough to be used for many different compound and intense movements. This step is designed to be abused by the heaviest-footed workout enthusiasts with 3 different height settings and a secure base. The step can be set at 6, 8 or 10 inches in height and remains equally stable throughout the range. Once you get the hang of adjusting the feet, the Reebok Step becomes an excellent choice for a home or public gym setting. Reebok claims that this step is rated for up to 242 pounds. Throughout our testing, we had a 200-pound man jump and step onto this bench while holding a 45-pound kettlebell. The base never bowed or showed any signs of aggressive impact. The plastic and rubber come together to create a stable and useful platform with good traction. As much as we love the Reebok Original Aerobic Step, it is worth noting that the joints for storing the feet are very tight. Still, we find that adjusting this exercise step isn't as intuitive as other models, though that is our only point of criticism. If you're looking to add a bench that can be used for step-up activities as well as support for heavy lifts, we think you'll be quite satisfied with this option. The Reebok is stackable and easy to move, making it an excellent choice for group fitness and gym environments. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.